Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Hatke. In today's video, we will solve a box-based puzzle. We will see how to approach such type of puzzles without noting the conditions. We can solve this type of puzzle. So we will see how to do this. So let's start our video. The question is given as 8 boxes are there. 8 boxes are kept one above other. The bottom box is numbered 1 and topmost is 8. So at first I'm just assigning the box numbers. Next, certain conditions are given. So at first it is given that E is third from the bottom. Therefore from bottom, that is from 1, first, second, third, this should be position for E. Next it is given there is only one box between E and G. Since there is only one box between E and G, G could be below E or it could be above E. Okay, next what is given? It is given that there are 2 boxes between G and A. Since there are 2 boxes between G and A, for the first case A's position would be this one, but for the second case A could be below G, that is at this position, or it could be above G, that is at this position. Next, what is given? Next it is given that there are 3 boxes between A and H. Between A and H, 3 boxes are there. Therefore 1, 2, 3, this would be position for H. For second case, the position for H would be this one, and for the third case, position for H would be this one. Next, what is given? D is 3 boxes below F. D is 3 boxes below F, and F is not 7th box. Since 2 conditions are interrelated, that's why we are taking it together. Now D is 3rd box below F, that is there are 2 boxes between F and D. So if we try to put it in first condition, if we put F here, then first, second, third, we could not put D. Here also we could not put D. So position for F would be this one, and first, second, third below, position of D would be this one. For the second case, we can put F here and first, second, third D at this position, but it is given that F is not the 7th box, so we could not put F here. So the only position left is this one for F, and first, second, third below, this one for D. And for the third case, since we know between F and D 2 persons are there, but here if we try to put F and D, we could not place them, so this third condition cancels. Now next, what is given? C is below B. C is below B, so C would be at this position, B at this, in this case also B above C. But it is given that B is not the topmost box, therefore this condition is not correct, since B is at topmost position. So this one would be our final answer. So this is all about this video. Thanks for watching, and in this way you can solve this type of puzzles. Thank you.